Friends, I am Dr. Sujit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Top 8 homeopathic remedies for menopausal syndrome or problem. What is menopause? We know that almost all adult women generally used to menstruate each month till the age of 45 plus minus 3, beyond which menstruation gradually start declining till it completely ceases. Menopause is diagnosed after a lady has gone 12 months without a menstrual period. It is a natural phenomenon. Actually, it occurs around 40 to 43 years. What are the signs symptoms of menopause? Despite being a natural process, in almost all cases, these are associated with some troubles. These are called menopausal syndrome. Signs symptoms of menopause: irregular periods of bleeding, chills or hot flashes, dryness of vagina or dyspareunia. Dyspareunia means actually uh, urination difficulties, shortening of uterus, change of mood or emotional state, night sweat, sleep disorders, weight gain, thinning of hair, slowing of metabolism, loss of breast fullness, abdominal flatulency, pressure feeling in throat, as if a big bolus of air is suffocating her. Not all symptoms will be there. A group of symptoms will be appearing in a particular patient. What are causes of menopause? Loss of ovarian follicular functions, decline in circulating blood estrogen level. Overall, this is a hormonal decline. Decline in circulating hormone which causes menopause to run, that is being seized, getting seized due to aging process. What a management of menopause. Giving assurance to patients saying that these are part and parcel of lives of women and are quite natural lifestyle, nothing to be worried. I think this is the most important point of management. Most important point of management. If the affected lady gets too much upset, give her placebo. Placebo means actually, this simple medicine, non-medicated medicine, giving used to given to the patient for to please him, just to please him. It is required, very often required, because patients uh, they always press for medicine. But in many cases, medicine should not be used because it will go off automatically. Symptoms will go off automatically. So in that case, one can give placebo. But there are situations which needs real medication. That is separate thing. Many a time in modern medicine, appropriate hormonal therapy is administered. Modern medicine, that is modern allopathic medicines. They have got their hormonal therapy they can administer that particular medications. In homeopathy, there are a lot of remedies. Actually, due, during menopause or menopausal syndromes rather, in homeopathy there are a lot of remedies. Depending on totality of symptom, administering a remedy in proper potency and dose may jolly well be applied. That is, in homeopathy, there are ample scopes. There are ample scope to fight the situation. Discussions about treatment for menopausal syndrome with homeopathic remedies. Cyclamen for menopausal syndrome. Patients violent, depressed, like to stay alone, weep bitterly, give cyclamen 3 too early. Ignacia for menopausal syndrome. Nervousness, flashes of heat in the head, constipation, sensation of bolus, bolus means air bolus rather, gas bolus, stuck in the throat. Ignacia 3, 6 early. Glonoin for menopausal syndrome. Pains in head surpass all sign symptoms. That is, in case of Glonoin, the patients will report mainly about the troubles of their head. All other symptoms is almost vanishes, as if hundreds of small hammers hitting the head. This is the sensation. You have to give Glonoin 3 too early. Valeriana for menopausal syndrome. Sensation of something spherical arising along the throat. The same thing, bolus, bolus of air. Some just expression is something different. This actually this is almost a common symptom of menopausal syndrome in throat. This is something stuck in the windpipe or around throat. With that sensation, sleeplessness, depression are there. You have to give Valeriana 3 too early. Cuprum salve for menopausal syndrome. Intolerable burning sensation on vertex of head. Give cuprum salve 6 too early. Note the symptom, one single symptom, intolerable burning sensation on the vertex of head in the patient during menopausal syndrome. This is the situation and symptom. Acid salve for menopausal syndrome. Flashes of heat felt more towards evening. Flashes of heat felt, this is a common symptom of menopause. Common symptom. But these may be there during various times of the day, rather. So this in case of acid salve, this is towards evening. Sweat too much. Brain feels loose. In forehead, falling from side to side. That is, brain feel loose in forehead as if this brain matter is falling from side to side. Feel better sitting quiet in room. You have to give acid salve 6 too early. Acid nitric for menopausal syndrome. Pain worse at night, less during day. Redness and rawness. Redness and rawness. Bleed easily. Pain felt as if someone pricking with stick. Excessive salivation. Excessive bad breath. Patients feel cold severely, as if going insane or being paralyzed. This is the personal feeling of the patients. He will report that, doctor, I am thinking that I am going mad. My body parts are being paralyzed. Very hopeless. Think that their disease incurable. You have to give acid nitric 30 6 hourly. Arsenicum for menopausal syndrome. Patients very restless, weak. Feeling excessive burning all over the body and thirst, but take little water very often. Thirst for little water very often, it is the characteristic symptoms of arsenicum. Characteristic symptom. Tendency to commit suicide, act like a madman, but like to keep themselves very neat and tip top. Another very important mental symptom of arsenicum patient, all arsenicum patients keep their dresses very tip top, neat and clean. They are very much particular regarding this thing.